Welcome to my story of the heritage of my city. Our family has been involved with heritage since a long time. I have been a participant of a team called Khaki Tours. Our first walk with Khaki was the Gateway Gallop. The Gateway Gallop showcased how the British King and Queen entered India. Let's welcome the great mind that thought of Khaki Tours, Mr. Bharat Ghotoskar. So, Bharat sir, what truly inspired you to become a heritage evangelist?
Hi Neil, I feel the biggest challenge for heritage conservation in India is two pronged. One is general awareness about what is heritage for common man as well as people who are in charge. And the second problem is political will.
Can heritage be classified as only buildings or does it go far beyond that?
See, if you look at the definition of heritage, heritage is anything and everything that our ancestors have left for us and something that we need to conserve for the next generation.
On my 10th birthday, I hosted a walk for some of my friends. Here are the places we went. On a hot, sweltering sunny afternoon, the best place to go is the Asiatic Society. The Horniman Circle was originally called the Elphinstone Circle. The Mumbai Samachar is the oldest running printing press in Mumbai. St. Thomas Cathedral is one of the first cathedrals in Bombay. Last year, me and my parents went to Sassoon-Dock for an art exhibition. Dabbling with heritage at a very young age has been a life changer for me. It has given me a different view of buildings. New buildings are built in the place of older ones, which could have been shown to the future generations as what we had as a legacy. Newer, fashionable buildings make older buildings look small and insignificant. I want the future generation to know what buildings we had in our childhood. This is why I go for heritage walks so that I can enjoy every building till its last moment. We visit these wonderful landmarks of Mumbai as frequently as possible. Here's how I would describe this golden Mumbai. सोन चमचमत दर्याला चढ़ते लाली.